Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search something in Excel. So open an Excel sheet and go to this Find and Select option. Click on Find and search for anything you need. Let's say I'm searching for Xeon and click on Find All or find next, whatever you want to. And here you can see it's showing you sheet 1 and cell number and what is the workbook name. So this is how you can find it, and it's marked also. So this is how you can find something in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.